Spider-Man costumes. So, are there trademark issues if you import Spider-Man costumes? Not with Spider-Man costumes, because the rights to Spider-Man have expired. So now it's part and parcel of the public domain, which means that anybody can have fair play at it. All right, so that costume. But the name Spider-Man, and I haven't checked, could be trademarked still and owned by, is it Marvel who have Spider-Man? So Marvel could still own the rights to the name Spider-Man. So you may not, for instance, be able to call it a Spider-Man costume. I don't know for sure if that's the case, but I know that that is sometimes the case. So you'd need to check. Now, again, do the same search as I showed you earlier. So go check IP Australia for what's been trademarked. So for instance, if we come in, Spider-Man does everything that a spider can. So here we go. Spider-Man is owned by Marvel Characters. So they own that. So if you were going to buy a Spider-Man costume from a supplier, you would want to make sure that the supplier had the rights to manufacture the costume. That would be very, very important, because if they didn't, then Marvel Comics could get your listing taken down unless you could prove that you had permission to sell that product or to that particular product. So it's a good idea to check those sort of things, and oftentimes, particularly in places like China, intellectual property is not respected at all. You only have to look at the fake Apple shops that pop up all over the place in China to see that. So you must check that your products that you're selling, the person you're buying them off of has got the legal right to produce them and sell them. So a little example of that, for instance, is the word Bluetooth. Well, the word Bluetooth is actually a trademark term, and it's owned by a company. And so if you sell a Bluetooth compatible product and you call it a Bluetooth compatible product, you must have permission to use that term Bluetooth. So either you must get it, or the people you brought the product off must have attained it for you. But somebody's got to have permission, otherwise the people that own Bluetooth as a mark can come and just get your products taken off of Amazon, and then you'll be in trouble with Amazon too. So Kate, I hope that helps. A lot of information in that little spiel for you, but the bottom line is this: yes, you can sell those products. Check first, make sure that you've got permission to do so, and then you're A-OK. Lots and lots of money to be made doing that. And there's lots of new versions of Spider-Man. Think about what's happening now with computer games that would be very, very profitable on Amazon. We just gave in our Diamond Group, for instance, some products that are in that kind of area, but play into new characters that are out there that have just gone absolutely nuts. So they've been recommendations for products. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.